know it's like a weird, this is a very weird angle, but I just have some exciting news. So it is 8:35 a.m. in the morning. As you can see, I just washed my hair. I'm trying to wash my hair like more often now. Trying to get it back to its regular curl pattern. So don't say your hair is damaged, because it's not. It's just wet and soaked with yummy products and yummy water to make my hair go back to the way that it is. But I just wanted to hop on camera right quick. Let me get my dates. So I dyed my hair August 9th. And it is August 20th. So I did the oil, GS by Sadora. So August 10th at I think around like 4 or 5-ish. So we play that back right quick. Today's Saturday, August 10th, and I'll let you guys know how I like it every week. Yes, around that time. Basically, it's been 10 days. Almost 10 days. But I want to show you guys how much my hair has grown. Look how much my hair has grown in 10 days. That big dark black line. I know I'm playing back the video right now. My hair has like some parts of my hair like a small little black smudge. You can see my hair is growing back, but look how much my hair has grown now. You can definitely see my black hair. It has been 10 days. Like, I cannot make this up. I've not done the egg treatment. I've not done nothing to it. I'm so happy, to be honest, because egg treatment is kind of drippy and I hate being cold and wet. So thank God for this oil. I really am happy, because look at my hair. And that's just not in this part too. Look at this. Oh my gosh, only been 10 days. Imagine 20 more days after this. Like, bruh. My hair might be the length that it was before I cut it before Christmas, to be really honest, because my hair grows fast by itself. So this is already like helping it even like grow even more. And of course, when I put the oil in, I massage it in, you know. But my hair has grown so much since 10 days from now. And it's crazy. I just can't believe it. Like, look at this black line. I just can't believe it. I'm so happy, too. Because I was like, oh my goodness. Now, some parts of my hair is more blacker than others, because I really trying to, like, target the middle and bangs more. I really want my hair to grow way more faster than the other ones, because that's the part that I cut off a lot. Like, my hair is like the back is like longer, and then the front is longer, but the middle and my bangs are super short, and I want my hair to look as even as possible. So I'm going to target my middle and my bangs first, and then once this hair catch up, like play catch up a little bit, then I'm going to target the rest of my hair. But of course I'm putting like it all over my head. It's just I'm really trying to target this part of my head more. I really want this side to grow more, but I just cannot believe that my hair is growing, especially in the middle. Like, look at that growth. That's about a good ½ inch. So I want to say a good ½ inch that I can see so far. Rub it all in, simulate your hair growth oil in your scalp, and I do have some oil left in my fingers, as you can kind of see. I'm going to rub it through my braids, and I just can't believe, like, this is amazing. I'm gonna show you both sides. You think, oh my gosh, you did one side. My hair has really grown. Like, I just can't believe how much my hair has grown in these 10 days. Actually, let me not cap. I did forgot one day. Because when I went to Georgia, I live in California, different time difference, you know, so like when I put it on, it was really early, so I just skipped one day. I only stayed for Georgia for one day anyways, but my fingers are so pink. Yeah, so I only stayed for one day. So basically these 9 days, my hair has grown so much. I just can't believe it. It's so crazy. And my baby hair is a little bit too. Just a little bit, not that much. Because I'm really trying to target this area. But now I'm going to target my entire hair really now. once my hair goes back to the length that I want it to be. I'll show you the back as well. Make sure you see. So yes, my hair is getting back to the way that it should be. I just cannot wait. So thank you. GS by Sadora. This brand is called GS by Sadora. This is hair growth oil. It's mixed with herbs and healing oils with black seed oil and Irish moss and black castor oil. It fortifies and rejuvenates hair follicles to prevent hair loss. Or you don't have hair loss at all, then it's good also. I like it. Perfect. Get it. Get it while you can, because my hair has grown 9 days. In 9 days, my hair has grown a ½ inch. That's the Jesus stuff, you know what I'm saying? But like, really get this. And if you want to go buy some, everything is in the description box below. GS by Sadora. I put this oil in the same time every day, once a day. This is like update video of my oil treatment. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna post this just as this, so if I am. Then hope you have a good day, Lions. Hope you like my little update video. I'm gonna probably do it again when I see a lot more growth. I thought that I'm gonna do it, well, technically it's been a week, but I thought I'm gonna do it like in 2 weeks, you know, but my hair grew by really fast, so this definitely helps stimulate the growth. So I cannot wait to show you guys probably in 9 more days. Thank you. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.